Alright everybody, so this is a log tong or log grabber. I've heard them called different things. They're technically log tongs or stump tongs. Log tongs tend to be, like much larger. You use them on a tractor to lift up the log or whatever. Same principle though. You have two sharp points, a scissor action that grabs and you can pull with it. And these things, for a long time in the tree world, people, like at tree services, people make fun of these. I don't know why. They think they're slower. They're not. They may be slower per grabbing each log, but I can move a lot more wood with this than I can just barehanded when my hands are too deep. But even then, like stuff that I couldn't grab by hand and pull out of this pile, for instance, I can with this. This one is, I don't know if it's supposed to be Fit Tool. Oh, going to fall over. I don't know if that's supposed to be Fit Tool or Fi Tool. These are off Amazon. I'll have a link in the description. I bought these in another kind, and the other brand was way rougher. Like it didn't have the chrome, and the paint and the metal was just very pitted and rough, and they didn't move very fluidly. They got stuck. So if you're going to buy these, and you're not going to buy this brand, because I don't even know if this brand is available. These Chinese brands come and go on Amazon a lot of times. But if you're going to buy these, buy them with the double scissor, and buy them where they look finished, because they tend to run smoother and work better. They're super handy. I mean, I can easily pick these up with one hand. That's a very dead and light one, so I'm not trying to like make it more than it is, but it just makes it way easier. Like that was wedged in there. I was easily able to grab that and pull it out. This one here now, I can easily move one-handed. I could move this two-handed, but what's the point when I can do it one-handed? They don't always grip the first go, so you have to be, careful with how hard you pull. Make sure it's got a good grip, and if it's got old decaying bark on there that's shelling off, then you might have to, fit with them a bit more. And that they don't always replace hands. Sometimes it's just easier with two arms. Pick it up, or sometimes I grab it with this and my hand, and it makes it easy to move, right? So these are super handy, especially in any kind of work like this where it's more stacks of wood or chunks of wood. But yeah, I really highly recommend getting yourself a good pair of log tongs. They don't have to be like Steel or Husky or these crazy log ox brands that are really expensive. If you want to go for those, that's fine. They're usually slightly better quality, probably last you a little bit longer, but I find that these for like $29 or whatever, super great and work wonderful for doing what I'm doing. So don't underestimate the power of these. The leverage it gives you, the grip it gives you, definitely really good. Couple of challenges with them though, so they're not perfect. Nothing is. If the bark is shelling off, or if it's a very slick tree and very dense, they may not grab that well. So there's that problem with some woods. Some like locust, if it's really slick and the bark is really on there good, sometimes it has a harder time grabbing, but you can still do it. And then the other thing is sometimes it doesn't want to let go. When you're trying to get it to let go, you have to learn to I don't know if you can see that down there. So you have to learn to push down on the heel of your hand like this to make them open, to let go. And sometimes if the bark is shelling off and you grab it, then the bark comes off and you drop the log. So you need to, shell the bark off before you start trying to use these. If it's really rotted, they can dig in and get stuck. So those are some of the cons, but the pros way outweigh the cons on these. Think they're a very valuable tool. Think it's really worth getting them and giving them a go. So I'm going to move some wood around with these real quick so I can get some more stuff cut and show you how I use them.